For the engagement, of course, we have to show that you are engaged, and it's gonna be more showing the ring. Yeah, you do a little bit in the center. Yes. Okay. Now do your hand out of your body. Perfect. Another posing. Put your hand on his chest, please, and I will do close shot. Focus on the ring. One more thing, you just hold hands, like put on it like this. Can I touch you?
Yes.
Yes. And move a bit to my side. Yeah, I will focus on the fingers. I want to do one more while you just hug each other, like you hug him under the arms, and you stay back to me.
Yeah. Like this?
Yes, yes, and you please move a little bit left, and both of you come to the shadow.
Yeah.
Okay, close your eyes. Okay, perfect. You please stay here, the same way, facing each other, and you are opening the box. Go put your hands up.
Yeah.
Just open it. It's better if you put on the bottom.
Ah, the hands
This
on the
one?
bottom.
Yes,
Like this.
Yes.
Okay.
And I would like to show you the pictures, and your opinion is interesting for me.
Cool.
You like them?
Okay, amazing.
Schöne
Wow.
Fotos. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.